What's up, guys, and welcome back to part 2 of my computer speed up little series I'm doing here. For the next step of this process, the first video was on using CC Cleaner. If you're just watching this video, you may want to go back and run that one first. We're going to go back to download.com. Again, that's that site where you get the free software and stuff like that. It's not pirated software, it's just freeware. So it is available for download. Let's see here. I'm not plugging this website either. This is just a common tool people use in the IT industry. Definitely not plugging this website. I don't even think they do anything like that. But anyway, you're going to go down here. Here's download.com. You're going to go down to the right-hand side. And Malwarebytes is the program we're going to download today. Going to go to that page and click download now and let that install into your computer. So basically what Malwarebytes is a program that's going to take out malware, basically any bad programs that found their way into your computer, any spyware, any malicious software is basically what it's going after. That's where they get the name from, Malwarebytes. So you're going to go ahead and run it and select English or whatever language you happen to speak, and next, and you accept the agreement, which is basically I will not pirate the software, I will not do whatever, just typical stuff here, and select where you want it to install. I just use the default what they give you here and click next again. And next again. Create desktop icon. Do you want it to be on your desktop? Yeah, I like to have it on my desktop. It makes it a little easier to find it. And install. So that's going to go ahead and put the program on your computer. You can close out the internet. And what this says here is completion of the installation. It's going to update and launch the Malwarebytes software. So click finish. And right now it's looking for any updates, anything new for the software, which is really important when you're dealing with viruses and malware, just because it's really a back and forth battle when you're dealing with viruses. Virus software people will come up with new stuff, the virus makers will come up with new stuff. It's like an arms race. So you really want to stay ahead of the curve and always make sure it's updated before you run it. Okay, so here's the program. You have the selection of perform quick scan, perform full scan, and flash scan. You're going to want to do a full scan if this is the first time you've ever run this program. Later on, if you just want to do a quick little scan, you can do the quick scan, that's fine. But the full scan, it is going to take a good amount of time unless you have a really small computer, like if it's a notebook computer or something like that. But if you have a larger drives, if you have larger, C drive and a lot more for it to scan, it could take up to an hour. So this may be something you want to run while you're sleeping, or while you're at work or whatever. So you're going to click scan. It's going to ask you which drives do you want it to scan. Of course, you want it to do the C drive and any other drives you happen to have. And click scan again. And it's going to go ahead and search through all your stuff and find any malicious software, any spyware, things like that. And it'll pop up when it's done, and it'll show you a little screen where you can choose to remove that the malicious software from your computer. And that should keep you safe and speed up your computer and get rid of some of that mess. Okay, so that's that program. It's Malwarebytes from download.com. And the next software I'm going to show you, it's also from download.com. You just get it there. It's Defraggler. I'm just going to kind of throw this one in since this is the end of the video. This is a really simple program. It's just like the CC Cleaner, except it does a totally different job than the CC Cleaner does. If you watch that video, you'll know what I'm talking about. All this does is defrag. What defrag means is your hard drive, when you're saving and deleting files or when you're moving stuff around, basically everything gets into little parts all over your computer. So there's little sections of these files all over the place. And this basically lines them up and organizes them so your hard drive can read them faster, thus speeding up your computer and your performance. So you're going to click to analyze. I'm not going to actually run through it right now because it does take a good bit of time, as well as the Malwarebytes. But you click analyze, and once it's done, you can see right here it's got a percentage. Once it reaches 100%, you can click defrag and then let it do its thing. And that's all you're going to do with this program. When it's done running, you don't have to, do like the Malwarebytes where you need to click remove files or anything. That's it. Just close the program and you are done. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I should be doing some more videos in the future on deep virus removal and troubleshooting, real problems and stuff like that. This was just a quick video to show you how to speed up your computer and fix any small issues that you're having. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and please subscribe up top. See you later.